In recent years, semiconductor packaging has evolved with an increased demand for greater functionality, smaller size, and added utility. A modern PCB design has two main methods for mounting components onto a PCB: through-hole mounting and surface mounting. In this video we will show the difference between these technologies. As an example, we take the design of a PCB of a simple electronic circuit. We will prove that the use of a different technology can produce a device of the same functionality while consuming less material, and the production process is simpler. Through-hole mounting is the process by which component leads are placed into drilled holes on a bare PCB. The process was standard practice until the rise of surface mount technology, SMT, in the 1980s. SMT is the process by which components are mounted directly onto the surface of the PCB. Known originally as planar mounting, the method was developed in the 1960s and has grown increasingly popular since the 1980s. Nowadays, virtually all electronic hardware is manufactured using SMT. It has become essential to PCB design and manufacturing, having improved the quality and performance of PCBs overall, and has reduced the costs of processing and handling greatly. Let's start by designing a simple electronic circuit consisting of an integrated timer, some resistors and capacitors, LEDs and battery power supply. First, create a project for the implementation of the through-hole circuit. Import the necessary components from the libraries into the project. We choose through-hole shapes of the components. The battery power supply. The integrated timer circuit. Resistors and capacitors. LEDs. Let's add values to the components. Now arrange items. and make a connections to each other. Save the project. Let's create the PCB. The through-hole version of the circuit is finished. Now we will create the same electronic circuit in SMT technology. We use the same components but in the SMT implementation. The battery power supply. The intergated timer circuit. Resistors and capacitors. LEDs. Let's add values to the components. Now arrange items. And make connections to each other. Save the project. Let's create the PCB. The SMT version of the circuit is finished. Now let's compare both products. The SMT circuit board is more than 20% smaller than the circuit in through-hole technology. In the simple case, we saw that the difference in the product due to the use of better technology is considerable. In the development of complex circuits, the difference becomes even greater. Thank you for watching this video.